Lesson: Principles of Knowledge Management. The principles of knowledge management are crucial for business analysis professionals seeking to optimize organizational performance and facilitate effective decision-making. By understanding and applying these principles, professionals can harness the full potential of organizational knowledge and foster a culture of continuous learning and improvement. Knowledge management is the process of creating, sharing, using, and managing the knowledge and information of an organization. It refers to a multidisciplinary approach to achieving organizational objectives by making the best use of knowledge. The process involves the systematic management of an organization's knowledge assets for creating value and meeting tactical and strategic requirements. It consists of the initiatives, processes, strategies, and systems that sustain and enhance the storage, assessment, sharing, refinement, and creation of knowledge. One core principle of knowledge management is the distinction between explicit and tacit knowledge. Explicit knowledge is easily articulated, documented, and shared, such as in manuals or databases. Tacit knowledge, on the other hand, is more intuitive and difficult to formalize, often residing in the minds of individuals as insights, experiences, and skills. For effective KM, organizations must develop strategies to capture and disseminate both types of knowledge. Techniques such as storytelling, mentorship programs, and communities of practice are effective in transferring tacit knowledge, while document management systems and knowledge repositories can help manage explicit knowledge. Nonaka and Takuchi's SEXY model, which stands for socialization, externalization, combination, and internalization, is a popular framework for understanding the dynamic process of knowledge creation and conversion between tacit and explicit knowledge. Another principle is the importance of a knowledge-sharing culture. Creating an environment that encourages the free flow of information and collaboration is essential for successful KM. This involves breaking down silos within the organization and fostering open communication channels. For instance, IBM implemented a JAM initiative, an online collaboration platform where employees could share ideas and solutions across departments, leading to numerous innovations and process improvements. Organizations can also incentivize knowledge sharing through recognition and reward systems that acknowledge contributions to the organization's knowledge base. Technology plays a pivotal role in enabling effective KM. Tools such as knowledge management systems, intranets, and collaborative platforms are vital for capturing, storing, and retrieving knowledge. For example, Microsoft SharePoint is a widely used platform that facilitates document management and collaboration, allowing users to store and share information efficiently. The implementation of such tools should be aligned with the organization's KM strategy to ensure they support the desired outcomes. However, technology alone cannot solve KM challenges. It must be complemented by human-centric approaches and organizational processes. A practical approach to KM is the use of knowledge audits. A knowledge audit involves evaluating an organization's knowledge needs, resources, flows, gaps, and uses. It helps identify what knowledge is crucial, where it resides, how it is used, and any barriers to its effective use. By conducting a knowledge audit, organizations can develop a clear understanding of their current knowledge landscape and identify areas for improvement. This process typically involves interviews, surveys, and workshops with employees to gather insights and map knowledge assets and flows. Once completed, the audit provides a foundation for developing a targeted KM strategy that aligns with organizational goals. Furthermore, integrating KM with business processes enhances efficiency and effectiveness. For instance, embedding knowledge sharing into project management practices ensures that lessons learned are captured and applied to future projects, reducing the likelihood of repeating past mistakes and improving project outcomes. Agile methodologies, such as Scrum, emphasize continuous learning and adaptation, with regular retrospectives to capture and apply knowledge gained during sprints. By aligning KM with business processes, organizations can create a continuous feedback loop that promotes learning and performance improvement. Knowledge retention is another critical aspect, especially in the face of workforce turnover. As experienced employees retire or leave, organizations risk losing valuable tacit knowledge. Succession planning, mentoring, and knowledge transfer programs are effective strategies for mitigating this risk. For example, NASA has implemented a mentoring program where retiring scientists work with less experienced colleagues to transfer critical knowledge and skills, ensuring continuity and preserving institutional memory. To effectively implement KM, organizations should adopt a holistic approach that considers people, processes, and technology. This involves aligning KM initiatives with the organization's strategic objectives, ensuring leadership support, and fostering a culture that values knowledge sharing and collaboration. Leadership plays a crucial role in championing KM efforts and creating an environment conducive to knowledge exchange. For instance, C-suite executives can demonstrate commitment by actively participating in KM initiatives and encouraging cross-functional collaboration. Measurement and evaluation are also essential components of a successful KM strategy. Organizations need to establish metrics and key performance indicators to assess the impact of KM initiatives on organizational performance. These metrics may include the number of contributions to knowledge repositories, user engagement with KM platforms, or improvements in process efficiency and innovation rates. Regularly reviewing these metrics enables organizations to refine their KM strategies and ensure they continue to meet evolving needs. In conclusion, the principles of knowledge management provide a framework for capturing, sharing, and leveraging organizational knowledge to drive business success. By understanding the distinctions between explicit and tacit knowledge, fostering a knowledge-sharing culture, leveraging technology, conducting knowledge audits, integrating KM with business processes, and focusing on knowledge retention, organizations can create a robust KM strategy that enhances decision-making, innovation, and performance. The integration of these principles into business analysis practices empowers professionals to address real-world challenges and contribute to the sustained growth and competitiveness of their organizations.